Hey there, welcome to this video on unlocking the power of SEO. In today's age, where everything is just a click away, search engine optimization or SEO has become a crucial element for businesses. Today, we will explore the world of SEO, why it matters and ways you can dominate the Google search results. But first, let's understand what SEO is. SEO or search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on Google search results pages. The higher your website ranks, the more visible it is to potential customers. Businesses and individuals worldwide pursue SEO in a variety of ways, which we will later understand. But for now, how does Google decide which websites to show on the first page? Well, there are several factors that Google takes into consideration like relevance of the website, quality of the content, the website speed and its mobile friendliness. While these are just a few, there are a lot other factors as well together contributing to your rankings. Now, why is SEO important? When people search for something on Google, they usually click on the first few results that appear on the first page. In fact, research shows that 75% of people don't even bother scrolling past the first page. What does this mean? This means that if your website is not on the first page, you are missing out the potential lead. So just how can you dominate Google search results is the question. How do you make sure your website ranks higher? Well, since you are here, we will tell you some easy steps to ace your search engine rankings. Number 1. Keyword research. Find out what people are searching for and incorporate those keywords into your website's content. Number 2. Optimize your website. Make sure your website is mobile friendly, has fast loading speed and contains high quality content to the right audience. Number 3. Build backlinks. Google considers backlinks as a vote of confidence. These are the links from reputable websites to your websites. The more backlinks you have, the higher your website will rank. Number 4. Use social media. Using Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn to engage with your customers can help you increase your reach. Moreover, it is a powerful tool to drive traffic to your website and increase your online presence. Number 5. Track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's traffic and monitor your progress. Now, while you follow these tips, it is important to keep